I mean, for a quick game, quick arcade game that you can just pick up and play without you configuring things or trying to install different things, just for some light gaming, this could be something I think lots of people will actually enjoy. I mean, so Netflix now offering free games to anybody that uses their service on their phones, on their Android TVs. I'm currently on my Nvidia Shield Pro, and you can see now when I go to the left, I now had this new game section. So let's go to that now. Let's click on that. And I can now see some of these games which are built directly into the platform, which I can now stream directly to my Android TV. So this is a brand new feature they've just started rolling out, and I do believe it's going to come to all platforms. So you should see it on your Amazon devices, your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, tablets, really wherever you can install Netflix, you should now see this games tab. Now the difference between the top layer or the top section and the bottom one is these games here you can only play on mobile devices. So everything from your GTA to some football games to Street Fighter, so some very popular games in here are now all available absolutely free on those devices. You got some card games, you got some Sonic games, some arcade style games, lots of different things. But as I'm currently on my Nvidia Shield Pro, let's try some of these games here. Let's try this Caverns of Mars. Let's click on that. Let's click on play game. Give that a second. You can see at the top right, it is in beta or beta at the moment. Now you can see here it wants you to scan a QR code. So even though I do have a controller plugged directly into my Nvidia Shield Pro, they want you to use the Netflix gaming controller. So for that, I can just scan a code on my phone. I've already installed the Netflix controller application, which is absolutely free, available on iPhone and Android devices. I'm going to scan that now. Give that a second. And we can see now on my phone, I now have a virtual controller. So I've got a virtual joystick and some buttons I can press. Okay, let's see if I can actually play this. Let's click on start. And that's me now. All right, let's go down here. Okay, I guess we have to dodge a few of these things. All right, so avoid the big red laser. What does this button do? Okay, pick up that power up. Let's pick something else up. But you can see guys working absolutely fine. No need to install anything. No need to pay anybody else or sign up for any other service. Just pick up your phone and you can now start enjoying all of these games directly on your Android TV or any device that supports Netflix. Just trying to work out what I should be doing, but okay, I've got a powerful laser now. Looks pretty good. Let's see if I can go back to the menu. Let's try something else. Let's try a good old classic Centipede. Click on play. Okay, I've got a virtual controller, this time only with 2 buttons. And let's see what I can do with Centipede. All right. Oh, this is a lot more basic, but still lots of fun. Let's take out some of these. You can see the Centipede coming down. Does that do anything? No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, got some bug over there. All right, got a power up now. That's working great, guys. I mean, for a quick game, quick arcade game that you can just pick up and play without you configuring things or trying to install different things, just for some light gaming, this could be something I think lots of people will actually enjoy. I mean, if you've already signed up for Netflix, why not take advantage of this free feature and start playing these games? Obviously, for the biggest library, you would have to do this on your mobile phone. Then you can play some of the more well-known games like your GTAs and Sonic, and I think it's Championship Manager and some of the other ones. But again, guys, just for, you know, a quick pick up and play, it's actually a lot of fun. Take that. Alright, so I guess I just have to take out all these guys. Yeah. Oh, that power up. Alright, okay. Never mind. But works absolutely fine. Let's back out of that. And we're back to the main menu. So right now, the games you can play on the TV, there's only 8 at the moment, but I'm sure they'll be adding more games as more and more people try this out. But you do have a much larger mobile game library if you want to try this on your phone or tablet. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do leave me a comment below if you currently use Netflix, and if you can see this on your device, what you think of it. Do you think it's good, or do you think it's just a big waste of time? So do leave me a comment below, let me know, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.